Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Dan and today's lesson is going to be an important one. I will be going over trading psychology and mindset and what it takes in order to deal with emotion and how to set up your mind properly and correctly while trading. Now let's start with the question on how do you build a winning mindset? Well, that is actually a very difficult question. Why? Well, in order to answer that question, you need to understand how the brain works. You need to understand how emotional brain works and how thinking brain works and how the two collide oftentimes without you even realizing that. Let's say you have been a winner in the previous experiences in your businesses, in your career, or any other field. You're a successful sportsman or anything similar to that, and you come and you bring that winner mindset into trading, and you come with that can-do attitude, mentality, and think, okay, I will just apply the same logic, same thinking, same hard work that brought me to the top of whatever field you were at, and I will apply that to trading. And soon you will realize that there will be some hardships, and those hardships are because your brain is not designed by years and years of evolution, thousands and hundreds of thousands, actually millions of years of evolution, is not designed to tackle environment such as trading. And you need to understand that attitude, I need to win, I'm a winner, I need to win, is not going to work. You have to understand the difference between making money. Of course, everyone wants to make money trade. This is the main goal and the ultimate goal. However, you have to understand the difference between making money and performing well. And this is something that you need to understand in order to tackle that mindset, to change it and adapt it to the trading environment. So let's say you are a successful businessman and you came into trading and you started implementing the same hard work, the same logic and patterns that you were using as in your businesses. And then you realize that with every loss, you get very emotional. Why? Well, because your brain is already a winner. Your brain is already programmed to win. Your brain is not programmed to lose. You will find that you need to change your brain and reprogram it from the winner mindset to a mindset of probabilities. You need to change your mindset and make it a probability-based mindset. You need to learn how to lose, and you need to be a very good loser. Yes, you need to be a very good loser in trading in order to succeed. So what is a probability-based mindset? Well, our brain is designed and functions in a way that it hates uncertainty. Uncertainty is the worst thing that can happen to your brain. And then you come and put your brain in constant uncertain environment, which is trading, where you do not control anything. You do not control the outcome. Only thing that you have is belief in your strategy based on the period of time of backtesting and trying it out and seeing that that strategy works. That is the only thing that you have. So if that probability doesn't go into your favor, it will result in a loss. And then your emotional brain takes over the thinking brain. So imagine you have emotional brain and you have a thinking brain, right? And thinking brain is the logical brain, is the brain that actually evolved us into what we are today. Emotional brain is the caveman brain. It's the brain that actually saved us from all the hardships, from all the dangers back in the days, millions of years back. Once you've realized the difference between the two, you will realize that oftentimes caveman brain takes over the thinking brain, the logical brain, and kidnaps it and takes over your body, your brain and feelings and start to react. That is when you feel sad. That is when you feel angry. That is when you feel depressed. That is when you feel impulsive, which is a very often happening in trading, being impulsive. Many people react impulsively, and that means that emotional brain hijacked your thinking brain. There's a reason why around 80% of trading in the US is done by computers, and that is to deduct that biggest hurdle in trading, which is emotion. Computer and algorithms, they do not have emotion. They have a set of rules. Algorithm is basically a set of rules that they follow, and based on those set of rules, they action the trades, they enter the trade, and they exit the trade. So in order to be successful, as I've talked already many times, you need to have your own algorithm or your own personal trading plan, which means you don't have to use a PC to trade. You can perfectly do it on your own. However, you need to realize that the emotional brain will be preventing you from making rational decisions. And you need to be prepared and know how to tackle that and how to deal with that and how to get away with making rational decisions instead of irrational ones. Once you understand that you cannot control the outcome and that you do not control the uncertainty in trading, and realize that only thing that you have is your strategy and you need to rely on it 100%, that is when you're going to be making progress, and that is how you eliminate the emotional brain out of the equation, because the emotional brain will just take over every single second. Whenever you're looking at the charts, the charts moving, the candle moves into the other direction than your trade is, you will immediately start sweating, feel panicking. You will feel that pressure. You will feel that pressure, and you need to be working well under pressure. And what is the cure for that? As I've already said, systems. You need to have systems in place. What you need to do is you need to have a certain system, and when you place the trade, if you cannot handle the pressure, don't shy away. Set up your stop loss, your take profit, literally just walk away from the PC. Walk away from it. There's nothing wrong with it. Some people cannot handle pressure. That's perfectly normal. We're all different and we all react differently in different environments. But as I've said, it is a human nature to react to danger, because what your emotional brain sees in trading is uncertainty, and uncertainty equals danger. Your caveman brain immediately throws you back into the, savannas of Africa thousands of years ago, hundreds of thousands of years ago, where danger meant death, meant that you're dead, that you're just going to be a lunch for some beast like tiger, saber-toothed tiger or something. So your emotional brain hijacks your thinking brain and creates its own escape from the danger, which is trade going against you. Brain sees it as a danger. It automatically wants to escape. Okay, I'm gonna just cut it. I'm just gonna cut the losses right now. Just to see, a few moments later, that it reverses back and goes into your direction. And then again, your emotional brain rages. Why? Because it didn't win, it lost. And then you lose total control of your emotions and of your brain. And you're just one big mess. And you cannot continue trading, and then you're gonna just keep going over trading, revenge trading. Your adrenaline will just go skyrocket. You will find yourself losing a lot of capital and a lot of money. So once you understand that we as humans are not programmed for these kind of environments, and once you understand that it is a much bigger topic and much bigger discussion than just sitting at the computer and following rules and be able to control your emotion and to be disciplined. It is much greater than that. It is something that you cannot control. It's evolution, it's science, it's just proven. So in order to combat it, again, systems. Place systems in place, have your own algorithm, follow them, and that only will bring you consistency. And that is how you perform well in the long term. So once again, making big money versus performing well. You always want to take performing well, because when you perform well over the long period of time, that's when you will make money. If you make big money but do not perform well in the long run, you will be burned out and you will lose more than you gained. So create your systems, be consistent with them, and follow them and see the results. That's why you have trading log or the trading diary or trading statistics, whatever you want to call it, to analyze, does your system actually work? Another thing that I would like to mention is motivation. Me personally, I'm not a big fan of motivation. Why? Because I think that motivation does not work well in the long run. So you can get pumped, you can get motivated just by watching some YouTube videos, watching people having lots of money, flexing their cars on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever. You get motivated that second. Or if you want to go to the gym, you watch videos of people lifting weights, you get motivated, you get pumped, you go to the gym, lift that weights, and then you skip 7 days of training. Or you skip 7 days of trading, or you skip whatever you were doing. So motivation is temporary. You need consistency and discipline. You do not need motivation. Yes, motivation from time to time is good to keep you on track, to give you that that dopamine, that adrenaline rush that your brain needs from time to time to make you feel good, to pump your blood a bit. That is all okay. However, consistency and discipline is the only thing that works in the long run. So think about it this way. The only thing you need is a good system that is proven to work. So you need to test it, back test it, make mistakes. Of course, you will make mistakes and that's how you learn. And once you have a system in place that works, you just need to be consistent and not give up. Whatever you do in life, you need to be willing to go all the way to the end and never give up. It's as simple as that. If you never give up, you will get there eventually. And even if you don't get there, I guarantee you, you will be a changed man. You will find a way better version of yourself, and you will find a new self, a new changed person who went and tackled uncertainty, tackled adversity, and came with the right mindset and attitude and said, come on, bring it. This is the motivation that you need. Consistency, discipline in the long run. And just go, push hard, go with all your strength, with all your force. Do not stop. Not only with trading, I mean this for every single thing in life. You just need to realize that some things, in order to reach your goal, you just need to do. If your goals are not to become a multi-millionaire or whatever, if they are not materialistic related in general, doesn't matter. If you have any other goal, take the same rules and apply to them. You just need to not give up and realize that there will be so many days that you don't want to get out of bed, that you don't want to go do anything. And it's perfectly okay and it's perfectly normal. And take that day off. Take those 2 days off, 10 days, whatever you need to refresh your brain. But then after that, continue hard. Just continue going. Because if you don't, you will fail. But if you do, you will not fail. Even if you don't reach the ultimate goal, you still didn't fail. Because you went there, gave yourself, all of you, 100%, gave your best, gave it a shot, and never gave up. And this is all you need in life. And you're already a winner. You're already a winner. You don't need huge amounts of money or whatever it is. You're already a winner because you've proven that you can fight the adversity. And you've proven to yourself that you can fight the change. And this is how we as humans actually survived so long and evolved. Because we never gave up. And we will never give up. This is who we are. And this is in our DNA. You just need to find that little bit something in you and find that goal that actually will motivate you and give you the consistency and discipline in the long run, something to strive for. That is a purpose. You need to find a purpose in life, and once you found it, I guarantee you, you will not stop. So I hope you liked this video, and that will be it for today, and see you in the next one, where we're going to go back to the systems, technical stuff, trading stuff. So stay tuned. I will be going step by step, revealing all the stuff that we spoke about in the previous videos, like divergence and convergence. I will be giving you examples, etc. So I hope you're gonna have a great day, and as I've said, do not give up. I believe in you and you will do it.